Or you want to have it? Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Hello and welcome to another instalment of our adventures here in southern Sweden, building a big recording studio in an even bigger old Swedish cow barn. This week is a big week. We're going to record some music in the big barn. I've got some friends coming from Copenhagen. I'll introduce you to them in a bit. Yeah, I don't actually use any library music on any of my videos. I kind of think it's a little bit lame actually to use library music. I think it would be much cooler if people collaborated with musicians to make music for their YouTube videos. I think it's a bit of a missed opportunity actually. Anyway, so I use only music that I have made myself or recorded myself, including some bits from my own albums which are for sale down below. There's a few copies left if you fancy one of those. And these guys coming from Copenhagen, it's kind of like a super group. It's my friend Anders, he's in a band called Door Number 13, and the other guys in the band, there's Per on drums, he's in the Blue Van, he's also in Door Number 13, Jesper on guitar, how do you pronounce it? I don't know how you pronounce it, Somandin? Sorry Jesper, and then there's Valentine on bass. So this week I thought maybe we would record some new music for the YouTube videos. It felt kind of appropriate somehow. Yeah, so I'm going to set some mics up in the barn. We're going to take a load of stuff out of this studio and put it in the barn, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, so the first thing I have to do is test out this enormous long stage box snake that my friend Nils gave me, which so far is working great. It's a really nice one. It's old Switchcraft with little stamped in numbers on each input. Pretty nice. So far it's working. I've got 7 channels tested, so yeah, I think even if I only have 8 or 9 it'll be enough. They look great in the sun.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Such a good kind of green colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're taking stuff out of here into the barn. Here I am. I've just activated the room mics and we're getting room mics. Okay, overheads, let's try. Why are we only getting one overhead? 14 and 15. There we go. It was just set on DI. So now we have overheads. That's cool. Kick and bass. Neve 1, 2. Check this is on mic. Phantom power off. Let's turn the EQ out for now. Kick. There's something there. That's very hot. And the bass is on 2. Okay, the bass is a little bit kind of farty. This is my walk. to the live room. Not sure it's practical to keep it like this. We need to finish the new control room. Sounding cool. The bass is sounding a bit kind of farty. Just play a bit.
Oh, farty. That's probably this driver on one song. But,
Sounds nice here. That sounds okay now. It's really cool when it's a bit faster.
yeah, it needs to, a bit more pep. Are we rolling out there?
Wow. Yeah, that was it. That was the first music to be recorded in this studio, and I think it sounded amazing. I was kind of expecting it to sound pretty huge and echoey, but it didn't. It kind of sounded spacious, and I think with a bit of acoustic treatment we should be able to get it sounding really amazing. Okay, I'm pretty wiped out. I'm gonna say goodbye now on this video, But yeah, thank you so much for watching and sharing in this journey. Kind of emotional, really. I've just been editing it and doing that whole montage of the studio build. Yeah, slightly traumatic to watch it all back, but also unbelievable how far we've come. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to support us here, then you can join our channel membership. Yeah, otherwise I will see you again next week. Thanks a lot to Megan, by the way, who came all the way from Vermont on Wednesday to help us film. And yeah, thanks to everybody else who's been part of this project. Totally amazing. Thanks to the guys from Copenhagen. Yeah, everyone else, you know who you are. Lots of love. Couldn't have done this without you. Look after each other, and I will see you next week. Goodbye.